how to connect Stripe to Kick. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect Stripe to Kick. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to kick.com and log into your Kick account. Over here, once you're logged in, your homepage will appear. Then tap on your avatar located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you will see 5 different options. Over here, tap on the option that says subscriptions. Then you will be taken to the transactions page. Over here, tap on the option payment methods. After that, you will see the option to add a new card. Simply tap on it and a box will appear saying add a payment method. Now, enter your card number, the expiration date, and the CVC of your card. Over here, the CVC can be found on the back of your card. Then select your country. Once you've entered all the details, tap on Save. After that, you will have successfully connected Stripe or added a payment method to your Kick account. So that's how you can connect Stripe to Kick. That's all for this video.